Welcome to my channel about physiotechnic robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my embedded systems combination of Arduino Mega2560 and a Raspberry Pi connected via USB, no serial. This one is connected via USB to get it running, otherwise it doesn't have power unless you use a power connector, which I don't do now. Raspberry Pi connected over serial and over RS232 connector right here, powered over USB. A serial connector which has its quirks, and why do things happen the way they happen? What I haven't shown you yet is the setup, and that had some major issues, which I will show you in the screencast. So let's go there and I will tell you. So what happened during the setup? First of all, in this experiment, the Arduino Mega2560 is connected over a serial line to the Raspberry Pi 2. That's the idea. Then, first thing I do is obviously connecting to the Arduino, and in the process I got a message that I could update it, but also the message that I could not connect to the board. So, Linux being Linux, I had to change ownership to no ownership of this board, this device, because this device is for Linux equal to the board. Once I had changed ownership, I could connect. Fine. Then I try to connect over serial to the Raspberry Pi 2, which is this board. And at first it was the first TTY USB 1, which didn't work. Then TTY USB 0 suddenly. And there's a catch. Obviously there's a catch. Now let me point the camera a little bit higher. This is the other end of this cable. And this one I have to connect over pins pin 14, and that is 4 and 5. So I have to be a little bit careful here. Right here. Guess what happens? A segmentation fault. So I do it again. A segmentation fault. So, and this is the serial interface. So I keep it off the interface. However, this is over this line. I hope this sheds better light. It's a slow camera, but this terminal is over this line and not over that line. So the question is, why is this happening? This way, okay, am I connected? I'm not even connected, I think. Although the light here suggests that I am connected. Although now I see it on camera as well. I'm connected. Alright, that means that I would favor another no root to host. I have to reboot it and then see whatever happens. By the way, I had to reconnect to the Arduino as well, because that didn't work out. Okay, power off, power on for the Raspberry Pi. That's it for now. With Arduino Mega2560, RaspberryPi2, RaspberryPi3, some communication errors, but also some weird results, and question, why do I get those weird results? Things are working and things are not working. To see details, then I recommend you to watch the whole video, which you can buy or find at Patreon and at Ko-fi. Support via Patreonship or a member via Ko-fi, or just buy them as a separate video. You can also support via PayPal, Buy Me a Coffee, and again Ko-fi. If you already support me, thank you. If you don't yet support me, please consider it. Please like, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.